How to download and install Tonkeeper app and set it up. Tonkeeper is basically a crypto wallet that you can use to connect to other apps to trade cryptos and NFTs. So let's see how you can set it up. First, in order to download it, open your Play Store and go to the search bar. Search for Tonkeeper. And the very first app that shows up is the app that you want to install. So simply tap on install. It will take a few time to install depending on your internet speed. So once you have installed the app, you can simply open it from here. Meanwhile, let's look at the reviews. It has quite a good review, 62,000 reviews, and it has 4.5 stars of rating. So it's quite a decent app. So let's see how you can set it up as it's being installed. After it will be installed, let's see. Alright, so the app has been installed right now. Let's open it. This is the home page, the booting page right here. So if you don't have a wallet, you can create a new wallet, but if you already have one, you can import your existing wallet. I don't have one, so I'm just going to create a new wallet. It will ask me to create a password, so I'm just going to put a simple one for now. And you can enable notification if you want right now, or you can do it later. I'm just going to do it later. And this will be your home interface right here. So you can send and receive cryptos from here. You can receive, and this will be your code from here. There is Toncoin USD, so you can trade these from here. You can check the stocks, so, and you can go to the settings to see other features from this app. And if you want to connect this app to this wallet to other app, you can do it from here. So you can add another wallet as well. And yeah, that's how you can install and set up your Tonkeeper app. I hope this was helpful, and I'll see you on the next one.